In this video, we are going to discuss importance of NoSQL database. We know the full form of NoSQL, that is the not only SQL. So the important features of NoSQL databases are multi-model, easily scalable, we're having the distributed and flexible. So first one we are going to discuss is the multi-model. So the NoSQL database is more flexible than the traditional RDBMS, that is our relational database management system. In our RDBMS, we can represent our data into multiple rows and columns, and all the tables must have a static structure. But in case of NoSQL, we can have the dynamic structure here. So that is the main advantage. And it can store structured data. That means the data, whatever we are going to get from different machines, from different sensors and so on. We're having this unstructured data. That means the data in the form of images, in the form of videos. And we are having the semi-structured data. That means the data, whatever you are going to get from XMLs, from JSONs and so on. And these type of structured, unstructured and semi-structured data can be kept in this NoSQL database. So that's why it is falling under the category that is a multi-model. Next, we are going for the topic that is the easily scalable. We cannot scale the relational database easily because the relational databases are built with the master-slave architecture. So master is containing all the resources, from the slave will be accessing those resources according to the permissions. So scaling the database for the larger server will be a very costly operations and affairs. But on the other hand, in case of NoSQL database, whenever we are having a huge workload on this particular database system, then it follows the peer-to-peer architecture. So the scaling is easier than compared to the relational databases. So we can go on adding multiple machines to do the scaling in this way so that the load sharing can take place. So let us go for the next point, that is a distributed. So NoSQL database is shared as a global data. So as it is a global data, so the data can be accessed through different machines at the same time. Next one is the flexibility. So in the NoSQL database, it can handle structured, unstructured and semi-structured data very efficiently. Nowadays we are having 15 to 20% data structured and 75 to 80% data unstructured, and rest will be the semi-structured data. So that's why all type of data can be handled by this NoSQL database, and that's why it is flexible, and the multi-mode capabilities makes it more flexible in our operation. So that's why nowadays we are inclining towards the NoSQL databases. Thanks for watching this video.